Show desktop in Windows 11 with a single click. Hello friends, when you run multiple tasks and need to go to desktop, it seems a bit challenging. You have to minimize all the programs, but you can access it with a single click only. Take your cursor to far right of taskbar. Here you will find a show desktop icon. Suppose you are running multiple programs and you need to go to desktop. Go to the right edge of taskbar and click on this. You are directly on desktop. Click on this icon. The programs will automatically resume. If you don't find the icon, then right click on taskbar and select taskbar settings. Click on taskbar behaviors. And check this option. Select the far corner of the taskbar to show the desktop. Alternatively, on keyboard, you can press Windows plus D to show desktop. Windows and D keys on the keyboard. One more way is right click on Start and select desktop. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.